In this video, we'll have a look at the DejaEdit Outbox and Inbox folders. The Outbox folder is used for sending bins to the other editors in the project. I'm using the Editor 1 computer, where I've created a sequence which I want to share with the other editors in the project. I create a new bin. The bin could be called anything, and I will call it From Editor 1. Then I duplicate the sequence and drag it into the new bin. I close the bin so it gets saved. And then I put the bin in my outbox. I then do a manual sync. I don't need to do this when I use auto transfer, since the metadata will be synced every 5 minutes. Now I change to the Editor 2 computer. Here you can see that we have an inbox with a folder telling me who the bin is from. In this case, James, who's Editor 1. The bins in the inbox are locked in the same way as the source bins. It's the editor who creates the bin who owns it. In case James deletes the bin from his outbox, it will also disappear from my inbox. When I select the sequence, you can see that it looks like the one Editor 1 sent. I want to continue working on it, and open my own bin and make a copy of the sequence by command dragging it into my bin. I rename the sequence and open it. I want to add a title to it. So I add a new track, set an in and out point, open Title tool, and create a title. I then close the Title tool and select the video disk I use for the project. This must be the same as you selected in the DejaEdit preferences. I select the resolution and press Save. And there is the title. I want to send this sequence to the other editors. I create a new bin, which I call From Editor 2. Then I command drag a copy of the sequence. Since the Title tool creates new media, I select Force Media Sync to send the new media to the server. I close the bin to save it and put it in my outbox. Then I select Sync. Now I have been using 2 standalone computers with DejaEdit Client. So now I go to a computer connected to an Avid Nexus. I have 2 folders in the inbox, one from James and one from Anna. I open the bin from Anna and then the sequence in the bin. As you can see, the title is in place. So now I want to add an intro shot to this sequence. I open my own bin, command drag a copy of the sequence to it, and rename it. The bin from Anna is locked, which is shown with the red lock icon. And you can see that it's owned by DejaEdit. My own bin has a green lock icon, which means I can write to it. I open the sequence and then import media into my bin. I select the clip and select Options, where I select the resolution and the workspace on the Nexus I'm using for this project. I then press Open to start the import. When the import is done, I select the forest clip and add it to the sequence. I now want to share this sequence with the other editors in the DejaEdit project. I create a new bin, make a copy of the sequence, rename the bin, and put it in my outbox. The computer with DejaEdit Nexus transfers the media and metadata in the background, so the editor connected to the Nexus does not have to do any syncing. DejaEdit Nexus synchronizes metadata every 3 minutes and media every 5 minutes. Now I'm back on the Editor 1 computer. I open the Nexus inbox and open the sequence. So, as you can see, no matter where you import media or make changes to a sequence, everything will be synced. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.